Hello and welcome to day 25. Yes, it's day 25, y'all, of our 10,000 steps a day walking challenge. Hey, we're still in January, y'all. I'm trying to keep it together. You know how when you have one of those days where you just don't want to get out of the house? Oh my God. It's not dark yet, but it's gonna get darker out here. And I'm gonna have to stay close to the house and just walk back and forth until I get my 10,000 steps. Hey, everybody has one of those days, and today is my day to have one of those days, y'all. Y'all pray for me. I'm trying to get out here and walk. It's a challenge, y'all, to get out here and do these 10,000 steps when you got like so many other things you're trying to do in a day. Oh my God, it can be challenging, but guess what? I just stepped outside the door and it just hit me. It was like, you know what? This is what you're supposed to do. It's like you're supposed to have this time. You know, I use this time when I do my walks to listen to some good music. I use the time to just think to myself. You know, a lot of times you don't really get that time to yourself. And I get a chance to use this time when I'm walking to just have my own private thoughts and think things out. And sometimes you need that space to do that. So I'm just grateful to actually be out of the house, walking, you know, enjoying this nice air. Now it's cold again, y'all. It's cold. It's chilly, I'll say. But it's still nice. It's not too cold, which I'm grateful for. So it's pretty nice out. Yes. So, you know, this is a short video to let you know what we just did. Yes. We got our 10,000 steps in. Don't you know? I know you know it. And I wish you great health. I wish you great wealth. And I want you to be surrounded by love. Yes, you deserve all the beauty and all the love. Because love is everything, guys. All right, you take care. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. All right, it's January 26th, 11:50 p.m. and I walked 10,898 steps. Woo!